A great clock radio does more than tell the time. It wakes you gently, fills your morning with music or news, and looks good on your nightstand doing it. In 2026, the best ones add sunrise wake-up lights, USB charging, and smart features that make mornings genuinely easier. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The DreamSky Alarm Clock Radio is the reliable, feature-packed, everyday pick that has earned genuine popularity for doing all the essentials genuinely well. The large, clear display shows the time in bold digits that are easy to read from across the room. And the adjustable brightness dims low enough for comfortable sleep without lighting up the whole room. The FM radio delivers clear reception for waking up to your favorite station. And the dual alarms let 2 people set different wake times. The USB charging port keeps your phone topped up overnight without an extra plug, a genuinely useful nightstand feature. The battery backup preserves your settings and alarms through power outages, so you never oversleep. The snooze and adjustable alarm volume let you wake gently or firmly as you prefer. The compact, unobtrusive design suits any nightstand. For anyone who wants a reliable, well-featured everyday clock radio with a clear display, USB charging, and dependable alarms, the DreamSky is the most well-rounded, most dependable pick on this entire list. The Emerson CKS 1900 Smart Set is the set it and forget it pick that solves one of the most annoying clock radio hassles genuinely elegantly. The standout is Emerson's Smart Set technology, which automatically sets the time and date out of the box and adjusts for daylight saving time changes on its own, meaning you never have to manually reset the clock, a genuine convenience that most clock radios lack. The large, clear display shows the time boldly with adjustable brightness for comfortable nighttime viewing. The FM radio delivers clear reception, and the dual alarms accommodate 2 different wake schedules. The USB charging port keeps your phone charged overnight. The battery backup preserves the time and alarm settings through power outages, and because of Smart Set, it resyncs automatically. The snooze function and adjustable volume let you customize your wake-up. The clean, classic design suits any nightstand. Emerson's reputation for reliable clock radios backs the quality. For anyone who wants the genuine convenience of a clock that sets itself and never needs manual adjustment, the Emerson CKS 1900 is the most convenient and most hassle-free pick on this entire list. The Jaw Wake Up Light is the sunrise simulation pick that genuinely transforms how you wake up, especially for anyone who struggles with dark winter mornings. The standout is the sunrise simulation, which gradually brightens the light over 30 minutes before your alarm, gently mimicking a natural dawn to wake you more peacefully than a jarring buzzer, a genuinely better way to start the day. The full-screen light offers multiple color options and brightness levels, doubling as a bedside lamp and mood light. The natural wake-up sounds, including birdsong and gentle tones, complement the light for a genuinely calm awakening, and the FM radio adds station options. The sunset function gradually dims the light to help you fall asleep, and the dual alarms accommodate 2 schedules. The snooze function and adjustable volume customize your wake-up. The clean, modern design looks genuinely attractive on a nightstand. For anyone who struggles to wake up, dislikes jarring alarms, or wants a gentler, more natural start to the day, the Jaw Wake-Up Light is the most wellness-focused, most gentle waking pick on this entire list. The Jaw Digital Alarm Clock with FM radio is the clean, straightforward pick that delivers all the everyday essentials in a genuinely simple, attractive package. The large, clear display shows the time boldly and is easy to read from across the room, with adjustable brightness that dims low for comfortable sleep. The FM radio delivers clear reception for waking to your favorite station, and the dual alarms let 2 people set separate wake times. The USB charging port keeps your phone charged overnight, a genuinely convenient nightstand feature. The weekday and weekend alarm settings let you sleep in on days off without resetting, a genuinely thoughtful touch. The snooze function and adjustable volume customize your wake-up. The battery backup preserves settings through power outages. The clean, minimalist design suits any nightstand or desk without clutter. The intuitive controls keep operation genuinely simple. For anyone who wants a clean, straightforward, well-featured clock radio with weekday and weekend alarm flexibility and USB charging, the Jaw Digital is the most straightforward, most everyday, practical pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Homicio Digital Alarm Clock Radio, the genuinely budget-friendly, feature-loaded pick that packs a surprising amount of capability into an accessible price. Despite the budget positioning, the Homicio delivers a large, clear color adjustable display that shows time, temperature, and date at a glance, with adjustable brightness that dims for comfortable sleep. The FM radio delivers clear reception, and the dual alarms accommodate 2 wake schedules with weekday and weekend flexibility. The USB charging port keeps your phone charged overnight. The battery backup preserves settings through power outages. The snooze function and adjustable volume customize your wake-up, and the sleep timer lets you drift off to the radio. The multiple display color options let you personalize the look to your room. The compact design suits any nightstand. The genuinely accessible price makes it an easy pick for spare rooms, kids' rooms, or anyone on a budget. For budget-conscious buyers who want a feature-loaded clock radio without spending much, the Homicio is the most affordable, most feature-per-dollar pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right clock radio, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.